Hey everybody, welcome back to the Small Space Design YouTube channel. We've got some really exciting projects. We just recently sold a couple of the units, and now we've got some new projects in the works that will be for sale in the coming months. The 1953 Spartanette has been sold and has been shipped off to Oregon to live its new life there. And the 1991 International 4700 has been shipped off to Louisiana, and somebody is going to be enjoying that full time now. But in the past couple months, we've acquired two new units here. Now this 1997 Ford E450 Super Duty has that 7.3 power stroke in it, so it is a super reliable truck. It sits at just under 200,000 miles, which is about when most are retired from service. Now this truck has undergone a small RV renovation and was lived in for a couple months. Now this truck has an amazing solar setup. So we have 1200 watts of Renogy solar on the roof going down through a charge controller into 3600 watt hours of lithium ion Battle-Born batteries. That power then gets sent through a 3000 watt inverter, which is absolutely massive and can power microwaves, induction cooktops, hair dryers, really big appliances. We also have 47 gallons of fresh water on this truck to make that boondocking experience as long as you want. This truck will undergo a complete interior transformation, getting the full treatment with new lighting, ceiling, flooring, cabinets, the whole 9 yards. And for any prospective buyers out there, these are spec builds, but if you are seriously interested in getting a truck from us, especially this one or the 2009 Kodiak, don't hesitate to reach out. There's going to be an email in the description below. We are willing to finish out the interior and the exterior with all the trims and colors that you would like. Now, this is a 2009 GMC Top Kick / Chevy Kodiak. It's a C4500 two-wheel drive, and this sits just over 200,000 miles. Again, just retired from service at the UMass Memorial Hospital in Worcester, Massachusetts. We've already started the conversion on this truck, starting with a almost brand new cab inside with a new floor, sound deadening carpet, air ride seats, the whole 9 yards to really make the driving experience of this truck as best as it can be. In the rear, we have already started the conversion with a new electrical system, with a solar generator, all new lighting, a new ceiling, a couch and bed. Flooring will be going in here, plumbing will be going in here. There's still a lot of work to do on this truck, but it is going onto the back burner, so we can do this E450 to get that for sale up as soon as possible for you guys. Again, if you are seriously interested in this truck or the E450, don't hesitate to reach out to us, because like I said, although these are spec builds, we are willing to work with any really serious buyers on finishing out to the trims and colors that you want. So both of these units will be for sale in the coming months. This E450 is our focus right now, and we estimate that this will be done within the 2-month period. This one over here is going to go on the back burner for a little bit until this E450 is done, but then we will be turning our focus to this unit and really making that a nice off-grid living unit as well. Now that about wraps it up for today's video. Thank you for watching, and make sure you leave a comment. Let us know which truck you like better. Do you like the little truck or do you like the big truck? Let us know. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because that's where you'll be seeing all the content for this truck and a little bit for this, but make sure you follow our Instagram and TikTok to see this complete transformation in the next couple months here.